So when we multiply all of those together, I don't even know what I was circling there, but obviously they've moved. When we multiply all those together, we find out that the common denominator is 360. So if you were listing factors, that would take a long time to get there. So that would be a good reason to figure out how to use this way. But we'll talk about that more tomorrow. So what is a least common denominator for 15, 18, and 54? So to do that, they list all of their factors. 15 is 5 and 3, 18 is 2, 3, 3, and 54 is 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So if we were to use their way to do this, we would take 5 times 3 3 times, because that has the most 3's, times 2. And if you did that, you would end up with 270. We had 5x and x to the third power. We would list all of their factors out again, and we would say, well, this one has 3 x's, and this one has 1 5. We already accounted for this x and these x's, so 5 to the x to the third power would be our common denominator. Now let's talk about writing equivalent fractions. When we talk about equivalent fractions, we're just multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number. Okay? So this is on the back of your paper. If we were to write 3/4 with a denominator of 20, what do we take 4 times to get to 20? 5. So we then also have to take 3 times 5, so that would make the top 15. What if we have a whole number that we want to change into ninths? We have what underneath this 4? A 1, and 1 times what gives me 9? So then I have to take 4 times to give me another 36 ninths. We can do the same thing with variables. If I have 3x that I need to increase to a 24x, what do I take that times? 8. So what's that going to give me as a top number here? 64. Sweet. That should be everything you need to know for your assignment today. Glad we could finish that up.